The Frog and the Cow. One day, a frog was playing in a grassy field when all of a sudden he saw a cow. Wow, cows are really big. The frog was mesmerized by the cow's great size. When the frog returned home, he took a deep breath and puffed up his cheek. Then he asked his family, "So, what do you think? Do I look as big as a cow?" "No," the family replied, shaking their head. So the frog took an even deep breath, puffed up his whole body, and asked, "Now I look as big as a cow, right?" Nope, his family replied again, shaking their head even more. "What? I still look smaller than a cow. This can't be." This time the frog took the deepest breath he could and puffed himself up with all his might. But as he puffed and puffed, his belly popped. "Oh, my stomach, my poor stomach!"